try with egg custard. I love egg custard too. And this one with fish and sugar here. And some people don't like it, some people don't like. They kind of find a weird kind of sweet and salty, right? This is more creamy, custard. And then this one is sweet sticky rice that grill, a barbecue or grill, what you use the word in English. So this one with taro. I love the smell of the banana leaf that grill. Yeah, the green one. The yellow one on this screen. Like to make bean sprout. Green beans.
Yeah.
Stuff like this. And this sweet sticky rice, they steam it with banana. You may pick which one you like. Welcome back to Chiang Mai. Oh, be my treat. I pay. Pick many as you want. Brown sticky rice. And this is mung bean. Sweet sticky rice mango. This is bacon khanom chan, like a different layer. You have an option. We're gonna use this oyster mushroom for tom yum, tom kha gai, coconut milk soup. Ooh.
It's very much the tag, cheese, meat, but not vegetable.
Oh, that's so nice. This is a Jinda chili, the Thai chili. They're healthy, they're beautiful. So we have a butterfly pea flower, the color blue, you see? They make her. And I have a white one here. No. Oh, white. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, white and blue. See, it's very pretty. See that? This is a chili. Yeah. I have some in the basket that we make for. Whenever you sit on the side and I make the wok like that, because you can separate them. It's a little technique. When you do this, what happens? You have everything crispy. But it's not big deal. It's not big deal. It's just about the texture. Noodle in there. It's about the technique. And you want to make sure that you have room for the noodle to be in the sauce and cook there, right? Your whole spectrum like that is not strong. Make. Flip again. Because if you don't flip it, you're stirring like that. Only underneath cook, on top not cook. Good.